Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add the session breaks inside of TradingView. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we need to do is click onto chart, and then above that click on the time or the date range and make sure we have set it to 1 minute. If it's not on 1 minute, we're not going to be able to add these session breaks. So click on 1 minute and then hover that down and then click onto the gear icon here. Click on the gear icon, scroll down, click into more settings. Then we're going to be inside scales and lines, but we want to go ahead and click on the back button here. Now, once we're inside of settings, we can go ahead and click onto events. So it's going to be the last tab. Click onto events and then click onto session breaks. And then we can change the color here by clicking on the color. So if I want to add it as a yellow color, I can. Also, we can change opacity, thickness, and line style.